everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda. As you can see by the title of this video, today I am going to be shaving my face. Yes, shaving my face. So I was on YouTube watching skincare videos, just trying to see what other people use, trying to be a little bit more open about trying new products, because as most of you may know, I do have very sensitive skin, so it's very hard for me to try new products because I just don't want to break out. So as I'm watching skincare videos, I came across a few videos of women shaving their face, and at first I was like, wait, what? Women actually do that? I watched a few videos of women shaving their faces and the results were like, wait, what? That's how you get smooth skin? So obviously I did a little bit more research and I decided to give it a try. So if you want to see how I shave my face for the very first time, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first step is to cleanse the face. I'm gonna cleanse my face with the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. And if you haven't watched my Fenty Skin review, I will make sure to link it right over here so you can go ahead and watch it. Because we are shaving the face, we want to make sure that the skin is super clean and there is no buildup bacteria that can cause any irritation. So you gotta make sure that you wash your face. Let me know in the comments down below if you already shave your face, like what your thoughts are. Should I not do it? Well, it's actually a little too late because I'm gonna do it. But I want to know your guys' thoughts about shaving your face. Like I said, I've never done it before, so I'm excited but nervous at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. So the next step is to go in with a toner to remove any extra oil, any extra dirt on the face. So I'm gonna be using the Hendriksen Dark Spot Toner. So this next step is optional. I didn't see a lot of people using a steamer, but I did see maybe 2 or 3 people using a steamer because it helps with moisturizing, opening up the pores, also softening up the hair to make it easier when you go in with a razor. So I am using the Panasonic facial steamer. The next step is going to be a oil. I'm going to be using the Daily Reviving Concentrate. This is just going to help the razor just glide on a lot smoother and make the hair removal process a lot easier. Then we're just going to massage it into the skin. If you guys hear batting noises in the back, Anthony and his little friend are practicing their batting because I got Anthony a I think it's like a batting net. I think that's what it's called, so you can practice with batting. So next is the actual hair removal process. This is what I'm a little scared of because I'm going to be using a razor. So I'm going to be using the Revlon razor. This was in a PR package. So the way that they said to use a razor is basically you want to grab the opposite hand and then tug it up and go in at a 40-degree angle, and you always want to shave down. All right, so let's go ahead and just start the process. Oh, do you guys see that? It looks like dirt. I honestly thought I would have a lot more hair. It's not that bad. This is usually the area where I laser. Look at that. Look at all that hair. Not gonna lie, this is a lot of work. But look at this. I've only shaved this part of my face, and the color difference, I'm shook. I'm like scared to go underneath here, so I'm not gonna do that. All right, I'm thinking of doing my nose, but I'm a little scared. Let's just give it a try. The amount of gunk that comes out is pretty disturbing. I'm trying to clean the razor in between. Ew. Can you guys see that? You gotta be super gentle around the nose area. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the left side. Wow, I think I had more hair on my left side than I did my right. Look at that. I cannot wait to do my makeup. I want to see how this is gonna change my foundation routine. Also, I've been like breaking out so bad around the jawline area. Look at, I just want to show you guys the amount of hair. That looks like a happy face. I think this is about to be a little life-changing. We're gonna go in with one more round. Oh my god, I have more hair. Bro, I don't know if that's like dead skin. Alright, let's move on to the forehead. I never in a million years thought I had hair in my forehead. I feel like I'm about to be hooked doing this. Alright, so now that I'm completely done with razoring my face, I do have a lot of redness. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a different toner because this toner I feel like it's probably gonna sting. I'm gonna be using the Calendula Herbal-Extract toner, and it's alcohol free. And this should help with the redness and helping it calm my skin. My skin just feels a little itchy, but that's probably because it's not used to being shaved. But you wanna do a toner to remove any extra oil, any extra bacteria. My skin feels so smooth. Like, why didn't I do this before? And it does look a lot brighter, which I'm happy about. So I'm gonna let this cool down and then I'll be right back. All right, so now that my skin is a little bit more calm and is not as red, I will say my skin feels so smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of this Badescu, I think that's how you pronounce it. This is the facial spray with aloe herbs and Rosewater. This is gonna help with the redness and just kind of soothe my skin a little bit more. I don't feel any burning sensation. I don't feel any itchiness. I do feel a little bit of itchiness in this area, but aside from that, nothing else. I feel like the true test of how my skin looks is going to be when I apply the actual makeup. I'm going to let my skin rest today because I just shaved it. I probably will give you guys a full update on how my skin looks with makeup on in my vlog, so you guys can see how my skin looks with actual makeup on. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I also wanted to show you guys the amount of hair that I had on my face. Look at that. And I still have some on the tissue, but this is what I mainly took off my face. That's a lot. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this video. If you want more videos like this, comment that in the comments down below, and I will see you guys next time.